we're bringing you the latest statement from Amnesty International. They've said they stand by the findings of the Pegasus project, and the data is irrefutably linked to the spyware which is being targeted. Amnesty has also said there are false rumors to distract from the project. Amnesty's statement coming in after an Israeli media report said, and they quoted them as saying, that there was no link between the numbers that they had put out, the people who were potential targets, and the NSO. The Amnesty statement now coming saying that they stand by their findings of the Pegasus project. Meenakshi joins us with more on the details of that statement. Meenakshi.
Important statement coming in the backdrop of a lot of brouhaha that we are seeing even in India pertaining to a lot of back and forth that is happening in terms of claims and counterclaims. Amnesty coming out with a statement where it is categorically stating as to how it is standing by the Pegasus project data set. It goes on to add in this short statement, but pretty precise. It goes on to say, and I quote, in response to false allegations on social media and inaccurate media stories in relation to the Pegasus project, Amnesty International issues the following statement. It goes on to add, Amnesty International categorically stands by the findings of the Pegasus project and that the data is irrefutably linked to the potential targets of NSO groups, Pegasus spyware. The false rumors which is being pushed on social media are intended to distract from the widespread unlawful targeting of journalists, activists, and others that our Pegasus project has revealed, unquote. So clearly digging off heels deep by Amnesty, given wide-scale brouhaha claim and counterclaim that we are seeing the fly thick and fast in the public domain in several countries, including India.
Well, thanks so much for that, Meenakshi. Fairly certain that this is not going to be the last word, and the controversy surrounding this will continue. Of course, at Mirror Now, we're going to keep a close eye on all the developments that are unfolding.